Right, this is the removal tool in close-up. This is the dowel handle, which is made from a broomstick. The collar is made from cut-up cereal packets, and this red line is going to be used to help with reinserting the smoke alarm in the backing plates. I put some sponge at the bottom which protects the smoke alarm and helps removal by gripping the smoke alarm. When the smoke alarm will be reinserted in the backing plate, I will use these alignment marks in red here to help me locate the locking pin on the backing plate. This is a close-up showing the alignment marks that have been drawn on the smoke alarm, and they'll be used to aid reinsertion. The kiddie smoke alarm comes with a security anti-tamper pin which prevents the smoke alarm being removed, they say, by children, but it's not necessary, I found, to securely hold the smoke alarm in place, so these pins aren't used, they're disposed of. This close-up shows how the dowel handle is attached to the removal plate. This here is made from 1/2 inch MDF. This is a 1-inch bracket which secures the handle to the removal plate. I clearly marked it on and off because it's surprising how easy it is to forget which way to turn. This is the smoke alarm base plate screwed to the ceiling, and the smoke alarm has been removed to show you the locating pegs. I'm using a pointer. These are the supporting lugs which hold the smoke alarm in place. Now with a red felt tip I've drawn 2 marks, one which helps aligning the smoke alarm when reinserting. I've marked it red there so that you can see what it is I'm talking about. So a red line has been drawn opposite the securing peg, and also another line opposite where the anti-tamper pin would normally be inserted. So the idea is to insert it using this red line here, rotating it until it's opposite this line here, which shows that the smoke alarm is securely housed and won't fall out of its base plate. Okay, this is how the tool is used. The smoke alarm is shown here in its normal position in the middle of the ceiling, and I want you to imagine that it's chirping in the middle of the night, or you need to change the battery. I'm stood safely on the floor, no ladders or chairs needed. So this is how the tool is used. You don't need to use the alignment marks when removing the smoke alarm, only when you're reinserting it in its base plate. So we just push on, turn in the direction of the arrow, and there it is, safely removed. The collar, made from cardboard, secures the smoke alarm. It won't fall out, and now it can be safely removed and the problem attended to. Right, you only need the alignment marks when replacing the smoke alarm. So I've lined up the smoke alarm with the red line on this tool, and now I'm going to push it to align against the right hand mark. This is a little bit tricky, but it's not, with a bit of practice it's quite easy. And now I'm going to give it a sharp turn to the left in the direction of the arrow, and then the tool can be removed. I know it's securely held because I can see that the left hand mark is lined up with the smoke alarm and on the base plate, and it's quite secure, won't fall out, and that's it. Thanks very much for watching.